Okay, my dear children, today we are going to discuss the exercise 4.3 of class 9, question number 6. Exercise 4.3 of NCERT textbook, class 9, question number 6. So I see this question. If the work done by a body by application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, then express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also, read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. So let us see this question. See here, in science we have got one thing, that W equal to F into D. W means work done, D means distance traveled, and F means force applied. So we have to use this relation. We have to use this relation to form an equation. We will consider W as Y and distance traveled as X, and constant force we are given 5 units. So we get this one as 5. So we get the equation as Y equal to 5X. Got my point? In science there is a concept W equal to F into D, that is work done equal to force into distance. So here force already given, we have to use constant force 5. So 5 is the force. Now we will consider work done as Y and distance traveled as X. So we get the equation as Y equal to 5X. Then we draw the graph of this equation. So let us see how to draw. So say, let solution let work done equal to Y and distance traveled equal to X. Therefore, Y equal to 5X. Therefore, Y equal to 5X. Now to draw its graph, we have to take its 5 pair of solution. Now for this, so this is the, which is the required equation, which is the required equation, Now to draw this graph, we have to find 3 pair of solution of this equation. So let us see how to find out 3 pair of solution. So let us see 3 pair of solution here. See this one here. Three pair of solution X, Y. Let us consider this as A, this is B, and this is C. Now see, already here given, we have to find out, also read from the graph, the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. That is, distance value of X already given 2 and again value of given 0. That we have to count from graph. So we cannot give the value of X as 2 and X as 0. Leaving these two, we will give different value. Got my point? We have to calculate the work done when distance travel is 2 units from the graph. That is when x equal to 2, then y equal to 10, when x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. That we have to calculate from graph. So we will not put here value of x is 2 and 0. So let us put the value of x is 1. If we put the value of x is 1, so value of y will be 5. If we put value of x is minus 1, then it will be minus 5. And let us put value of x equal to 3, then it will be 15, because we cannot give 2 and 0. So 1, minus 1 and 3. I have taken the value of x as 1, minus 1 and 3. So the value of y will be 5, minus 5 and 15. Now let us put this on the graph paper. Let us put this on graph paper. So here you see the grid of graph here. Value of x is 1, then value of y will be 5. So value of y will be 5, definitely it will be here. If we consider with the help of scale 1, then it will be 1 here. Definitely it will be here. This is the point A. Then when x equal to minus 1, then value of y will be minus 5. So value of y will be minus 5, it will be definitely here. This will be minus 5. When value of x is 3, then value of y will be 15. 15, definitely it will be on 2, it will be 15. So definitely it will be 15 will be here. Definitely this will be 15. So this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Now let us draw the graph of this. If we draw the graph will be this one. The graph will be this will be the graph. Definitely this will be the graph. This will be the graph. PQ will be the graph. Okay. Now you see, if we put the value of x as 1, so value of y will be 5. If we put as minus 1, the value of y will be minus 5. And if we put as 3, then it will be 15. So joining them we get the straight line PQ. So this is the graph of this equation. So here PQ is the graph of the equation y equal to 5x. Now from the graph you see, when x equal to 2, then y will be 10. Definitely you see, when x equal to 2, then y will be, definitely it will intersect here. When x equal to 2, then definitely y will be 10. This will be y. This will be y. And when x equal to 0, then y also will be 0. Got the point? So from the graph, it is seen that when x equal to 2, then y equal to 10. And when x equal to 0, then y equal to 0. then y equal to 0. That means this means if distance traveled is 2 unit, then work done is 10 unit. Then work done is 10 unit. Also, if distance traveled is 0 unit, then work done also will be 0 unit. Got the point? So from here PQ is the graph of this equation y equal to 5x. From the graph it is seen that when x equal to 0, when x equal to 2, then we get y also equal to 10. And when x equal to 0, then y also 0. This means if distance travelled is 2 unit, then work done is 10 unit. Also if distance travelled is 0 unit, then work done is also will be 0 unit. Okay, now see question number example 9 of page number 76, page number 76 of our textbook. Here given, solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line and in the Cartesian plane. So question is given 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. We have to solve this equation and then we have to represent this one in the number line and then on the Cartesian plane. Now we see how to do solution. So here 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. This implies that 2x, x transfer this side, 1 transfer this side. So this implies that x equal to minus 4. Therefore, x equal to minus 4 is the solution. This is the solution, x equal to minus 4. Now x equal to minus 4 we have to represent on the number line. And we have to represent this one in the Cartesian plane. Now you see one number on the number line. The solution, that is x equal to minus 4 on the number line, is shown below, where x equal to minus 4 is treated as an equation in one variable. As an equation in one variable. So the solution that is x equal to minus 4 on the number line is shown below, where x equal to minus 4 is treated as an equation in one variable. Now on number line we can show this one like this. This is the number line. This is the number line. This on the number line, suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and so on. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5. This is the number line. So here x equal to minus 4, if we consider this is an equation in one variable, So this will represent a integer, and this integer can be shown here. This is as -4, so this will be x equal to -4. This will be x equal to -4. This will be x equal to -4. So this is the representation of x equal to -4 on the number 9 line. Now this have to be represented in the Cartesian plane. So we know that to represent in Cartesian plane, that equation should be an equation in two variable. So you see how to write this one, an equation in two variable. So here you see, so let us see here. Number 2, x equal to -4 can be written as x plus 0 into y equal to -4. We can write x equal to -4 as this, which is an equation in two variables, So this will represent a straight line on the Cartesian plane. To get the straight line on the Cartesian plane, let us have to find out three pair of solution of this equation. So the three pair of solution, therefore the three pair of solution of the above equation are, let us find three pair of solution. See, x, y, a, b, c. If we put here value of y as anything, if we put value of y as 2, so 2 into 0 2, so x equal to -4. If we put value of y as -2, then 0, x equal to -4. If we put value of y as 4, then also it will be -4. If we put here 4, then also it will be x equal to -4. So these are the three pair of solution. So if we put this point in the Cartesian plane, we get -4, 2, -4, then 2, definitely it will be here, -4, 2. This is -4, 2. Next -4, -2, -4, -2. This is -4, -2, and -4, 4, -4, 4. This is 4, so this will be -4, 4. So it will be A, it will be B, it will be C. Now if we draw a graph, definitely it will be straight line. This we get a straight line. PQ. You get a straight line PQ. So this is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Thus you can say that the graph of this equation in Cartesian plane will represent a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, the graph of the equation x plus 0 into y equal to -4 represent a straight line. PQ in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane which will be parallel to y axis, which will be parallel to y axis.